morning, good morning. Can't see. So this is a revisit, but this revisit's like, I want to say a year ago, longer than a year ago. Everything really flies. I noticed, like, sometimes I'll think it's like, 6 months ago, and I'll look back and it'll be like a month ago. Everything really flies when you're doing a bunch of jobs. But I'm gonna say a year or 2 years ago. But it's a property manager's job, and it's for a slow flushing toilet. I did make a video on this a while ago, whenever I did it, and I don't know if I deleted the video or not. This one was for the, I remember taking the back of the tank off, and the tenants kept putting something in the back of the tank, some kind of cleaner, and it was like a powdery, it would like dissolve, and what was happening was going inside the toilet, clogging up all the holes. And I remember the main problem last time was, I think at that point, I was working on it for like 2 hours. At that point, you need another toilet. But it had to be 2 years ago. But yeah, I remember I kept flushing like hot soapy water in the back of the tank. And then it finally, a big chunk came out, and it was out of the hole at the bottom. Because there's small holes all the way around it, at the top, and then there's a bigger hole inside the toilet where all the crap gets flushed down. But there's a hole right there that pushes the water through. And once that got clear, it started flushing better. So I was thinking, I might put Blue Monster down there, because even if it blows the toilet up, it still needs another toilet, because I don't want to spend 2 hours doing it again. But what would scare me about Blue Monster is that stuff, I noticed it could get hard, because it happened before to me. Probably because I wasn't following directions. It got hard at the bottom of a P-trap. And I remember taking the P-trap out and just came out like one little thin chunk. So, I don't know if I'm gonna use Blue Monster. I'm not suggesting use Blue Monster on toilets. Probably gonna blow it up. Don't know how it would act with porcelain. But I think I'm just gonna try it again. Probably just hot water again. Got my metal coat hanger and hope for the best. I know I should just buy another toilet and just bring it over there. But we'll see what we're getting ourselves into. I'll get you guys some shots. Huh? How's it going?
Hey, what's up?
Long time no see, man.
I know, how are you?
Good, good. Hey, is it okay if I record for YouTube? I like to show my fixes.
Sure.
Awesome, you're the best.
Sure.
So, was it doing the same thing?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. Have you guys been putting anything in the back of the tank?
No. Try to flush it.
Okay.
It's gotta be there something.
Oh, this is different. I was assuming it was That looks like it's a clog. I thought it was something to do with the stuff in there. We'll see. We'll take a look. Do you remember? Has there been any guys that like went out? Just trying to think if there's like a clean out outside. You see anybody snake anything?
No, right now, no.
Like the last 2 years?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Okay.
You try that, bro. I gotta go, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. My daughter's picking.
Okay. Well, I was hoping it was just a toilet. I don't think so. I do not think so. Yeah, it's clean as a bone. They're still putting stuff in the back of the tank. But last time there was like some white powdery stuff in here. I don't know what I want to do. You know what? We'll do a test. I hate when the fan on, like it turns on and the light turns on. It's so annoying that you gotta listen to a fan the whole time. But sometimes that's what you gotta do. Since people don't like to turn the fan on when they're taking a shower. Bucket test. Let me do it again. Darn it. Damn, this thing being backed up too. Oh man. one over here. Oh. So that's clear. I think I'm gonna try the air snake. I gotta clean this. Which I'm probably not gonna. Okay. Oh, more water in there. We'll hit it with 10. It's gonna work. I don't think it's gonna. Oh, 20. Oh, it's gonna work. There's gonna be an air gap. Oh, look at that. Yeah. I don't feel like taking out the toilet right now. Let's test. Get rid of this water. Oh, the tub clog either. I'm sure that's still clogged. Check that out next. Doing toilet paper right now because I've seen all sorts of stuff. People put flossers in there, and I could have just cleared the flossers. I've seen like 20 picks in there. Then it gets caught by the toilet paper. That's why we do a toilet paper truck. Oh man. I'm gonna get my toad snake. Let me try it again. Yeah, we got problems. I don't think that's a good sign already. If I'm doing this wrong. There's no way. Just looks tight in there. I don't feel nothing. Oh my goodness. I should be able to get it in there. Should. There we go. Sorry to get this thing started. At least for this one. Go another 3 feet. Six feet down. Cool. Okay, so filthy. Let's see it now. Call me a toilet paper waster. At least this thing fills up really fast. It's the other ones I deal with. The old school, like 3-gallon tanks in the back. Those are in the three 12-unit buildings. I'm gonna do this a couple times. Make sure I got it. I wonder what I hit. Oh, you know what I should have been doing? Blue Monster in this. Let's see if this is clear. We'll go one more time. Right after I get done using all the toilet paper. Yeah, that's clogged. I'm gonna see if I can blow it out. Oh, wait. It's drained pretty good. Really good. Oh yeah, that's good. That is good. I didn't think the tub was correlated just because I think I remember it being clogged and not having anything to do with it last time, but maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, it's draining really good. That's good. And I want to shower. That's good. I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. That's good there. And that's a wrap.